On a quiet street, there stood an old street light. Every night, it shone a soft yellow light. To most people, it was just a lamp. But there was a secret. The street light could talk. It did not speak to everyone. Only sad people could hear its voice. When someone walked by with a heavy heart, the street light whispered, "Hello, you are not alone." One rainy evening, a girl named Anna walked under the light. She was upset because her best friend had moved away. Her eyes were full of tears. Then she heard a gentle voice. "Why are you sad, child?" Anna looked around. Nobody was there. She whispered, "Who said that?" The street light replied, "It is me. I can listen. Tell me what is in your heart." At first, Anna was afraid, but soon she felt comfort. She sat under the light and spoke about her worries. The street light listened patiently. Every night after that, Anna came back. She shared her day, her dreams, and her secrets. The street light encouraged her. "You are stronger than you think. Keep going." Slowly, Anna felt less lonely. She began to smile again. But one morning, workers came with a new pole. "We are replacing this old light," they said. Anna ran to the street light. "Please, don't take it away," she cried. The light glowed one last time and whispered, "Don't be afraid. My words are inside you now." That night, the old light was gone. The new one was bright but silent. Still, Anna carried the memory in her heart. She no longer needed the talking street light because she had found her own strength.